Hello mga ka-idol, shoutout kaninyong tanan. So dili ta mo maisa-isa sa kada kaninyo ha. Cover song mo sa karon mga ka-idol. Sa mga nag-share sa katong latest video nako tong Bisaya version sa When You Say Nothing at All. No, When You Say Nothing at All Bisaya version. About to siya sa mag-uuma. So cover song lang sa ta mga ka-idol. Song from Reo Speedwagon. Can't fight this feeling anymore. Pag-share ng video mga ka-idol sa tanan.
I can't fight this feeling any longer, yet I'm still afraid to let it flow. What started out as friendship has grown stronger. I only wish I had the strength to let it show. Tell myself that I can't hold out forever. Say there is no reason for my fear. Seven so secure when we're together. You give my life direction. You make everything so clear. And even as I wonder, I'm keeping you inside. You're a candle in a window on a cold dark winter's night. And I'm getting closer than I ever thought I might. And I can't fight this feeling anymore. I've forgotten what I've started fighting for. It's time to bring this ship into the shore. Throw away the oars forever. 'Cause I can't fight this feeling anymore. I've forgotten what I've started fighting for. And if I have to crawl upon the floor, come crossing through your door, baby, I can't fight this feeling anymore.
Hello sa tanan. Ako'y mabutay nga Bisaya version at ang inyong mga ka-idol. Kayo kalimti, share nga video. Maraming salamat sa inyong hadaan.
My life has been such a whirlwind since I saw you. I've been running around in circles in my mind, and it always seems that I follow you, girl. You should take me to the places that I thought I'd never find. And even as I wonder, I'm keeping you inside. You're a candle in the window on a cold dark winter's night. Never getting closer than I ever thought I might. And I can't fight this feeling anymore. I've forgotten what I've started fighting for. It's time to bring the ship into the shore. Throw away the oars forever. 'Cause I can't fight this feeling anymore. I've forgotten what I've started fighting for. And if I have to crawl upon the floor, come crossing through your door, baby, I can't fight this feeling anymore.
That song from Reo Speedwagon. can't fight this film anymore. So pakishare aning video mga kaidol. Nag-cover lang sa ta. Kaya wala pa nahuman na to ang atong sunod nga Bisaya version. So mao lang na mga kaidol. Daghang salamat. God bless na itong tanan. Bye-bye.